Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can get Steam on your MacBook. I'm showing you from Windows. It's the same process for everyone. So how you can do it very easily. For this, first open a browser. Now search for Steam. Now select Steam website. Now here you will see an option install Steam. Click on it. Now here you will see install Steam. You will see install Steam Macbook icon here. So select it and it will be downloaded. Now select this and it will be starting to install on your device. Now click on then select language and select install and it will be installed on your MacBook. And that's it. That's how you can get Steam on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.